Monetary trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk a fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. AQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah, that's the plan. Side bar break, executed. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund a dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. Pine tree trader, yeah, we build on rules. Price action only, that's the tool. From sin to payout, yeah, we stay clean. Inside the pines, that's the thing.
What is up, everyone? What's up? What is good? Glenn, Samuel, Lay in the house. What is up? What's up? What's up? Labarto. Skull Cruncher. Miss K. It's Mo Bro. Russell Singh. Trader's Nest. Like and share. Yeah. Thank you so much. What's up? What's up? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. OMH in the house. Good day for scalping. I took that trade on stream this morning and I did not trade anymore after, so that was it. Here's the accounts. Booyah. Daily payouts. 3 trade day daily payouts. 397, 631, 403 for daily payouts, and then 500 and about $500, $519 with my funded futures. So that's the daily payouts today. We'll take it. 17, right around $1,700 minus commission. So let's just call it Somewhere around 1,400 bucks in the pocket. In the pocket. Brian in the house. So we'll talk about the trade. This is the trade I took right here on stream, My Funded Futures TV. I called it out. It happened just as I was getting off, but I literally had the orders sitting there just above this outside bar. Ended up hopping in long and then scaled in and scaled out a little bit as we were breaking and coming back in, and then ended up adding more on the pullback into this, keeping my stop below that 250 level, and then ended up finally taking off some up in here at the 300, and then took it off up here at the 330, just above that 330. So at the high, and then obviously in hindsight it just kept going, but ended up taking profit right in this zone right up in here, and then it just kept going, right? It just kept going. Oh well, I didn't see that coming. Look at all these, just a massive bullish day, right? How did everyone else do? KM in the house, Trader University. ES trade lost. So yeah, that was a good point. Monday's ES trade lost. I forgot about that. Yeah, that Monday ES, not 100% anymore. Big loser today. ES, first 5-minute candle. Right in. Yeah, right here. This is first 5-minute candle right here. And it finished green, tried a long, and immediately pulled right back. Took out the people trying to go long, and then just ripped. Never looked back after that. Just ES just took right off and just kept going. So yeah. Coach Fred. Show proof 1099. Show my RiseWorks account. Trader University, been using code PINE. Thank you so much. I blew up 15 accounts. Oh man, sorry to hear about that. Is my funded futures a 25K? It is. Yeah, that is a 25K rapid account that I've gotten, what was that, 4 or 5 consecutive payouts, daily payouts on. So yeah, nice little ROI on that one. So yeah, nice little RRI on My Funded Futures Rapid, getting those daily payouts, and also on the trade days. I mean, really the trade days have been great so far. So gonna end up taking all that money out tonight. As soon as the market, as soon as the dashboard updates. My Funded Futures I'll do live on stream tomorrow. I like doing it on the My Funded Futures stream because. And the nice thing is that when I do take it on stream, it's, you know, I'm usually only trading that account while I'm streaming because I got to trade My Funded Futures accounts anyway. And then taking that daily payout and having the instant payout and not having to wait, you know, for hours. As soon as I take it, then I can just keep trading that account. So that's pretty sweet. Good, you didn't play it, Russell Singh? Yeah, no, it did not work at all. Like, 0. Ayo Kato in the house. Andy Willis. Not trading Top Step on My Funny Futures TV. No. Nope. Not trading a paper account either with 500 contracts. Ayo. All right, just about a minute before the market opens, guys. Smash that like button. We will do a giveaway. I want to do some giveaways tonight. I will not be on tomorrow night. I have something I have to do. I'll be shuffling around, doing a little traveling. I got some things I got to do. So tomorrow night I will not be on. So I do want to give away some accounts to you guys. Let me I'll fire it up now, but make sure you smash that like button. I got some Apex accounts I want to give away. I want to let everyone know that Apex is still got their sale going on. Apex sale still going on. $90 off Apex. Use code PINE. Market's open, guys. Good luck. Little gap down. Jack Boom in the house. What's up, Jack Boom? D Mitch, any TBT giveaways? Not right now. In the future, probably. Probably some point at the end of this month. We'll also give away some I always try to give away some Lucids, Apex, Take Profit Traders. We'll give away some of that. But probably at the end of the month, towards the end of the month. We'll give away some of those TPTs. But yeah, today's Apex. Got some Apex accounts. We'll take it. Hey, a free eval is a free eval, right? We'll take it. I usually don't mind. All right, little bit of a down here. Market's just grinding higher. Let's take a look at the hourly. We get that 250 likes, I will do the giveaway right off. So I'm gonna give away probably like 2 accounts. So, and then at the end of the week, I will make sure I give away another Lucid account to the members only as well. So probably not today though, but by the end of the week, when I'm in my other office, my orifice. So everything's just looking very, very bullish. Let's take a look at gold here. So let me talk about the trade I did today, in case anyone's interested. This is the trade I took on my Funny Futures stream. It's a beautiful trade. It's based off this 5-minute outside bar right in here. Right. You also got the extra confluence on the 2-minute chart. So 2-minute chart also put it in an outside bar, which is right here. Stop went below. And that's the trade I ended up taking on and getting all the daily payouts on. So I took that one outside bar. So it was on the 2-minute and it was on the 5-minute, which was pretty cool to see that both line up at the same time. So that was a good one. And then I just breathe and relax the rest of the day. But looking at the 2-minute outside bars, they look like they paid pretty well. Let me switch to NQ here. I will be trading this Take Profit Trader sim account. get it twisted. But I'll look for 2-minute inside outside bars. I don't know though. I mean, hopefully we get some good back and forth action. This slow grind up to the death is gross, right? You took the same outside bar paths? Nice. Yeah, outside bars are where it's at. I'm telling you. You can manage risk. Thank you, Trader Moe's. Dave Mack, what's up? A bit of a hassle. Oh, nice, Dave Mack. Congratulations on the payout. Dave Mack trades very small. 1 micro. When does an Apex 90% off sale end? The 21st? I'll tell you. 21st. 21st. 75 likes, 154 watching. Thank you so much. Never probably Corey Jenkins? Probably. That'll be nice. I'll take that. Cheap eval is always nice to just kind of get them past quickly. Andy Wells up to 4 funded. Let's go. Dynamite, you were on this morning. Nice. Saw me on My Funny Futures TV. Yeah, I called out that long and waited and waited for never filled it, and then I ended up having to get off. Finally filled, and then took off. Well, actually, did it fill just before? I think it filled just before. Same thing. It's just 2 days in a row, Friday and Monday, where both trades went into after I got off stream. I don't want an extra half hour on the show, though. I like my half hour. It's pretty nice. All right, we got an outside bar. Do I take it? I'm gonna take it for the stream. Oh, it's going without me. Come on. Can you fill me? Oh, there we go. We got filled. Well, maybe we keep getting that grind up. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if we're gonna get that good back and forth action or not. But we'll look to see if we can add a little bit onto this trade or onto this account. Stops at 25, 576, 75. I'm adding into this. A little aggressive here. Adding into it. Just missed my TP there, just under that 600. Man, just missed me. Wicked up. 597. Had a TP sitting there, 598.25. Just before that top. Hoping to at least get out of one there. We'll be patient. We'll leave the stop 576.75. Demo Monday. That's right. Let's get this thing passed. Rome Dog in the house. What is up? Whoa. That was crazy. Just missed my TP there to get out of one. I would have lost on the runner, though. Just came down, took me out, 576. Down 555. Not a good start, but that's all right. Rome Dog, hope you're having a great day. Yeah. 1,400 in payouts today, so we'll take that. We'll take that. Hey, Vanessa, Jeannie in the house. I'm gonna come right down and just take my stop out and then rip. Let's take a look at ES here. What is this? Seek and destroy? Is this battleships? What is this? What is this price action? Yo, Mike H in the house. What's up? Eric Lake in the house. What's up? What are these? Suspension blocks? Sussy blocks? What is this? Yeah, stopped out there. Coming right back in. Do we have any news tonight? I don't think so. Consequent encouragement. Yeah. What's up, Tony Lanes in the house? Tetris digital. Yeah, look at that. Boop, boop. Yesterday, I literally top ticked the market on a cover, so that was nice. And then I bottom ticked. So I got out just at the top of the market last night during Globex, nailed it, and then I ended up nailing the short last night, and then getting covering at the low. Tonight I just got bottom ticked there on the stop out. So eventually the market humbles you, right? I'm short, but I'm scared. Devon, yeah. I don't know. Look at this right here. This 2 pin bars. Just kind of showing signs of chop, right? On that 2 minute, but we'll see. I'm sitting right on the VWAP. I mean, it should pull back. I mean, you think it should pull back eventually here. I mean, look at the MOC, just the murder on close, just absolutely just ripped to the buy side. I mean, if we get a little bit of pullback, it would be nice, and then look for another long, perhaps. But overall, I'm bullish. I mean, how can you not be? And there hasn't been any catalyst at the moment to send it lower. Once there's a catalyst, like, I don't know, more bombs or something, then it'd probably send this. CL, keep in mind, CL has not filled the gap. YM eventually filled the gap. CL has not filled that gap yet. From the Sunday night open, you can see right here, it's still a lot of room. Will it fill the gap? I don't know. It's massive. YM eventually did do it. I thought about just taking a blind long, look for that YM to fill the gap earlier. Talked about it on the My Funded Future stream, but I didn't take it. Although the NQ trade off those outside bars, the extra confluence that I had was knowing that the YM has not filled the gap, and ES and NQ had done it. Probably righty did too. I don't know. Yeah, righty. Man, that was ugly. Sucks. 203 watching, 123 likes. Smash that like button. 250 likes. We will do a giveaway right off the bat. So if you guys are up, if it's the middle of the night for you, I'll try to get an early giveaway in for you guys tonight. Any blown accounts? No, negative. No blown accounts. I've been doing pretty well. Not blowing any accounts. Still have my Apex accounts. Still have my take profit traders. I mean, not my take profit. Yeah, that take profit trader. I still have my funded future and my trade days. Oh man, you blew a few just before payout. Ah, sorry to hear that, man. Dominican trader. Sorry to hear that. No blowing accounts because I really didn't trade much. I didn't trade that much. $500 from blowing a 50K. Oh, Jay Boss, you can. That's okay. That's not bad because think about like some of the static accounts. They only start you off with like $600 or $700, so you can do it. One or two micros maybe. Just a thought. Stupid price action with no foundation. Yeah, I mean this is stupid right here. this nice little break of the outside bar. Just missed my TP and then came ripping right back down. Took out my stop, and now it's gone right back to my entry. So I hear you there. Tough though. It's definitely tough with this with all this news, and yeah, I've been finding the best that's working for me personally is just trying to take those scalps, but just missed that one. Nomadic trades. Ryan Wiggins in the house. Trade day, Pine with a capital P. What is up? Yeah, exclamation point Pine in the chat. Yep. Inside bar on the 5 minute. I have a feeling I'm gonna get chopped. This is gonna be one of those 3 strikes and you're out type of nights. I can just tell already. Really need to break out of this idiot box. Hey, Dean Bishop's in the house. What's up? It's off to a rip-roaring start tonight. I can't hardly keep up with all that price action. Yeah, I had a feeling. You start getting that death crawl in the Globex. It's never a good sign. I like Sunday night opens have been great, right, with the price, but last Tuesday was good too because of the news that came out. That's what we need. We need some news, and this is the time when the news usually comes out. You know, the world type news, Middle East stuff, and then next thing you know, market goes haywire. Right here, just 25,582, just sitting on the VWAP. Start taking 5-point scalps. Another outside bar maybe on NQ. Maybe. We'll see how this candle finishes here. Be honest with you guys, I'll tell you right now. I can tell you right this second. Try not to get chopped up in this because this might not be a good night to trade until later. Outside bar right here. I'm gonna take it for the stream. If we break that upside, and I'll take it if we break. Yeah. Wow, what a nasty fill too. Because of the spread, I got really bad fill here. There we go. Averaging in here. Trying an outside bar long again. Stops below 580. What happened to my other bracket? You really need some volatility for this these types of setups to work well, and some volume. And right now, there's just not much volume. So, but setups there. We'll try it. I'll be kicking myself in the ass if it doesn't, if it works, and then I don't take it. I am long at 589.50 off that this outside 2-minute outside bar, but it's not really, nothing's really working at the moment. So you'll see. Stops at 579.50. 2 minis. Let's do it this. No stop. On this eval. This is eval only play. TPT 150K. Immediate rejection. Came right back in. Pulled put in a harami, 2-minute harami after the break. I'm just gonna buy into this low of this range here. Putting in an idiot box. I'm trying to buy the low of the range and then averaging in now because the little breaks in the momentum is just not working. What's gold doing? Is gold moving? No, not really. Let's see. I want to tap my screen. Is the screen frozen? Is it like, what's going on? Tap, 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 tap. Hello, market. Do something. Where my TP? I'm looking through the high. So I'm looking to take some off. If once I enter green, I'm looking to take some off, just kind of average, take off some risk. So 591.50, looking at the high, 596, and then maybe up straight through, and maybe get some continuation. We're at 590 now. This is gross. Gross. Wiki action. All right, right back to the entry here, 585.75, right back to my average entry. I'm only looking for like 5 points to take off some at that 591.50. Let's see if we can run that wick. That's it. Dynamite Marcus Yucky. Yeah. No volatility, Samuel. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, there's nothing. Like, I would just be... If we don't get something picking up here in like an hour, I'll be calling it a little bit early. I got some stuff I got to do anyway. I got to get ready for tomorrow. I gotta leave right after my stream. I'm gonna get my other office set up. So like I said, no stream tomorrow night, but I will be back Wednesday. But I will be streaming My Funded Futures every single morning this week, though. Just no evening stream tomorrow. I'll keep you guys posted. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We will do a giveaway, especially with this market being stupid. It's trying to break down below this VWAP. It's trying. Love for it to hold, though. Take a look at the 5 minute here. Inside bar, inside bar, inside bar, harami, inside bar. If you didn't hit the like, I hope you blow. I think metal's better than indexes. Probably. Let me take a look. I don't even know, Jeannie. Not for me. I mean, I guess it depends on how you trade. I just right now, ugh. Even the gold right now is just ugh. Oil might be just, you know, take a short, hold on, maybe we fill the gap. 1 micro, maybe. Oh, Dominican trader in the house. Let's go. If you break consistent rule and get denied, do you have to do 10 trading again from 0? If you break consistency beyond and get denied, do you have to do the 10 trading again from 0? So you get denied because of the consistency rule? I don't. Thank you for the donation. I think so. I would think so, but you can, I mean, you can essentially flip for 2 or 3 times, probably. Do you know if you can copy trade 2 Tradeify accounts together? Yes, you can, D-Bong. Does anyone know for sure? I don't know. Guess we're going to find out tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, kind of like the way Apex used to be. Like, if you got denied from the consistency, you just trade it for, like... Yeah, Bulenox. I didn't even think they allowed you to request unless you were under consistency, but... I guess I'm wrong on that. Yeah, they do. They have great customer support. That is a good point, 7. They do have great. You really went on tilt? Yeah, going on tilt can work both ways for sure, right? It can go both ways. Take a look at here. You know, if you look at the 5-minute, NQ kind of broke structure here. It's kind of trying to break this little bit of a structure. Weak though. Very weak. I'm trying to make something out of nothing. That's what I'm trying to say. This market. Trying to make something out of nothing. Sorry you went on tilt though. Back from vacation, had a great 8 days with the wife. Oh, let's go, Smokey. Nice. I need a vacation. Like a destination vacation. Another cruise, Smokey? Was it another cruise? Keep talking, it's working. Yeah. We start blowing on it. Go up. Get up there. This is why I didn't place a hard stop right now, even though this is not a smart thing to do, especially, but nothing I would do on a funded account, just because I feel like it's just chopping back and forth. So if I can just get a little lucky and squeeze a few points, and if we start to drift down below 80, you know, then I'm gonna get out. But like if we start getting that big drift, because it's starting to feel like it wants to roll over here. Get the magnets out, yes. The magnets out. What do we got? What do we got? Let's see. Got an arrow. Up. Go up. This way. Up. Up. Get up there. This way. Up and to the right. This way. This is like a little fancy pen thing that I think I pay like $2 a month for, and I hardly ever use it. All right, back down below this 580s here. Did we get a 580 bounce? Watching closely here. $44 the Punisher in the house. What is up, $44 the Punisher? Oil moving higher, biblical. Wow, is it? Oil is starting to creep higher. Currently down 300 on this trade with 3 minis. Only down 300. 250. Down for the day though. Lost 555 on that first move there. Just missed my TP, unfortunately. Now it's coming back and retesting that 276. 576, I mean. Best setup you see right now is bull flag on silver. Let's take a look. Yeah, kinda. Maybe on yeah, I see it. I mean, I'm still bullish on NQ. That's the only thing I'm basing this off from now. Every setup is gone. Setups are gone. Overall, obviously the NQ market is super bullish. I'm just trying not to get smoked in the process before it decides to go higher. Only down 5 points. I'm gonna trade in the house. Makar, what's up? Exclamation point pine in the chat. And congrats on the payouts. Thanks, man. 44 the Punisher. Yeah. Getting those daily payouts. Crushing it lately. Bitcoin looks good. Where is Bitcoin at? Just curious. Pull it up here. 74,299, right around that area. The old Bitcoin. Woof. Take a look at MSTR. I know some people are invested in this. Up big today. Up 3%. Take a look at year to date. Down from 180. MSTR. Five-minute outside bar just broke to the downside. That's not good. Don't like that much. This could be the reason to get out right now. Can I get out? Maybe it'll fail. It's just no volume. It's just drifting. Drifting away. It's like you forgot to tie the boat up to the dock and it's just drifting. Drifting away. Apex is trying to charge you 119 for a PA account. Should I pay that? Help. That's the activation fee, isn't it? Carl Wacker. I paid $99 for the intraday trailing activation fee. What is? Yeah, there's an activation fee. Carl Wacker. So there's got two different accounts when it comes to props. You have ones with the activation fee already built in, like with Lucid, My Funded Futures, and then you have, but you pay up front, right? So you pay up front for the eval. So let's just say you pay, and then you have the accounts that have the cheaper evals, like where you pay like 25, 30 bucks for the eval, but then there's always an activation fee after that. Yeah, mine was 99 bucks for my activation fee, but I guess it might depend on the account that you have. The accounts that I had were 50K intraday trailing accounts that I activated. All right, I'm taking one off here. I'm still left with two. Oh wow, big outside bar here. Look at this nasty. Look at this 5-minute nastiness. Outside bar followed by an outside bar. I'm getting back in. Maybe this actually goes higher now. That was a trappy trap. So it broke to the downside on that 5 minute, and then now it put in another outside bar. Very rare to see that. Now this closes here and then breaks this 588, 589. I'm gonna look for a little more. Might be a giant bull flag. Like that. I love Lucid. Dynamite. Yeah, Lucid's great. Love Lucid. No issues so far whatsoever. I like the automation. I like the fast payouts. I like the direct to funded accounts. That's where I like. You're still under maintenance. I don't know if mine is updated or not. No monthly rebill either, Brian, with Lucid. So you can buy the eval with Lucid, and then you have no monthly eval with the one-time fee. So you can really take your time. Wow. Nice little break here, a little stop loss run. I like this now. I'm gonna look for a little more. See if we run that high now. $595.75. I'll look to take one off at that single print, and then I'm gonna move one up. Way up. Tommy C in the house. He buying after paying $20 plus $99. Actually, even better just buy 50K take profit trader. Yeah. So it's up to you, really, Con. But yeah, you look at the total price. Now, I trade Apex because I like having multiple Apex accounts. So like I have 8 funded right now. So usually I don't really trade like one. But I always try to get a daily payout account in, like with Take Profit Trader, right? So that's what Apex is really designed to copy trade a bunch of accounts together. That's kind of how I play it. So that way you can get really big payout. So if I have a Take Profit Trader account, or in this case, you know, I'm trying to work on these Take Profit Traders accounts to try to get them passed. But I have the trade day and my funded futures daily payout accounts. So what I try to do, this is just, and this really just helps psychologically. All right, just smack TP on that. Finally. Still down on this account. But let's see if we can break up through that 600 now. Look at that pullback. Took out 597.50 and just yanked. Still in it. Don't know if I should be in it though. Look at that sell. 10 points just, I mean, it's only 10 points, but right now, right back to 586. What the? All right, I'm out. This is stupid. Ethan in the house. Anyways, let me go on my rant here. So, psychologically, I really like to have a daily payout account. So, like having a Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures Rapid, or a Trade Day account. Like just having one, right? And if you can work on that, get it over the buffer. Even Tradeify Select accounts. These Tradeify Select, same thing. Get the daily payouts, and then that way you can take and just kind of work on your Apex accounts, or maybe Lucid accounts, or Top Step, or whatever. Just the accounts that you have to build up bigger, right? You have to build it up and trade it for multiple days, or Billinox, where you got to trade it for 8, 8, 9, 10 days, and just try to build those up on the side, but just keep those daily payout accounts and try to work on that, because those are the ones that feel like the most like a personal account to me. So when I have trade days, like I'll show you these trade days. When I have these trade days over the buffer, to me, it really feels like a personal account, even though it's simulated money, because I can take the money out. And Take Profit Trader, same way. And I still like Take Profit Trader a little better, because you can trade 5 accounts. Why is that not working? You can trade 5 accounts and you can make a lot more money. So if you catch a big day, what is going on? Can't sign into my Take Profit Trader account. I don't know what's, I'm in my trade day account. But the other reason why, now if you're a newer trader, the other good reason to trade a Bulanox or an Apex account is if you're new and you need to practice essentially by getting some skin in the game, by getting a cheap eval. There's nothing wrong with that. Getting that cheap eval and trading it. Here it is. Like these accounts right here. So anything over $2,000, there is a minimum payout of $250, but basically if anything over 2,000 or 2,000 minimum payout of 250, you can just take a payout. So like 400 on this one today, 631 on this one today, and 397 on this one today. I'll take all those payouts today. And these little tiny, I mean, they're not little, right? But in relative to say a 30K Apex payout or something like that, 20K Apex payout, taking these little base hit daily payouts really add up. So if you can do that with Take Profit Trader and get a 50K, say over the $2,000 buffer, anything over $2,000 with Take Profit Trader, you can take it out and put it in your virtual wallet. And in the virtual wallet, you can take, and I think the minimum payout to take it out of the wallet is like $150, but you can buy a new accounts with it too. So you can buy new evals or whatever. And so that's why I like Take Profit Trader. It's just slightly better. You can make a little bit more. Copy trade 5, where trade day right now I can only copy trade 3. It's 3 copy traded accounts. All right, I'm currently flat. Market stupid. 217 likes. Getting close to the giveaway. So you prefer Take Profit Trader accounts at the market opening? Not necessarily. I just still look for my setups. I mean, today I took all those accounts on the 2-minute outside bar break live on My Funded Futures TV. Called out this trade right here, hopped in just before my segment ended. And I took the long off it. So yeah, close to the market open, about an hour into the market. But yeah, I'll trade around the open sometimes too. But just really trying to be patient and wait for these these outside bars, inside bars, things like that. But mainly I've been loving these outside bars. And this one right here, we just took a little bit of profit off that, but not much. I'm still down. Where am I down? Down 554. 545, I mean. As soon as trade day payouts, the dashboard updates, I will take a payout on those. Now, the other thing I like about Take Profit Trader is that you get the payout is actually fairly quick. It's not as fast as My Funded Futures or Lucid or Tradeify, but it's pretty quick. It's usually within a couple hours from the market close. You can get your payout and then it goes into your wallet, usually within like 2-3 hours, time the dashboard updates and everything. Trade day is a little bit slower, but the goal for me is to have 5 Take Profit Trader accounts again, and then 3 trade day accounts. You know, that's the goal, is to have all 3, and then 5 My Funded Futures Rapids, and just kind of build it from there. I don't like having all my eggs in one basket, especially when I'm getting payouts. I can reinvest. You know, I try to reinvest. That's what I always done, even before I was a streamer. If I got payouts, I reinvested. I try not to buy any evals, unless I had to. But if I had funded accounts, I would try to get to a payout and then buy off the payout, try to buy either straight to funded account or some more evals. I'm just checking my trade day dashboard to see if I can take a payout. Yeah, see if it updated. It did. It's all updated. So I'm just gonna take my payouts here. Get the ball rolling on that. $631. Trade day will move you in a live pretty quickly too if you start becoming really consistent taking payouts. They don't mess around. Where Take Profit Trader is a little bit more difficult to go into a live account. All right. Just requested all those payouts. But yeah, if you are interested in getting those trade day accounts, here they are right here. So, here's the other thing. The trade day has end of day, right? So I don't even really mess with the intraday trailing. I don't mess with it at all with trade day. I just do the end of day. That's because intraday is the same as My Funded Futures and Take Profit Trader. So for me, I prefer the end of day on especially an account that I can get a payout on day one. So here's the prices right here. Use code PINE with a capital P, and that's the prices. So these are all in costs. So that's all in 122.50. This is what I'm trading right now, 50Ks. 122.50 all in. That's all in. Pine with a capital P. It is case sensitive. And what's the market doing? Chopping. We're chopping. Chris Knopf in the house. 5 of each prop, TBT, Lucid, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, and Tradeify. Yeah, any of those. I mean, really, Chris, any of those. But to get daily payout accounts, think about this, like daily payout accounts, all in, meaning no activation fee, 7. Yeah. If you think about this, if you have 5 Take Profit Trader accounts, 5 My Funded Futures Rapids, 3 trade days, and then 5 Tradeify, 5 Tradeify select accounts, which are the daily payout accounts, and then have all those just for daily payouts, and to use like something like Trade Syncer and just copy trade them, and if you can get them all over the buffer, holy moly, you can make some serious coinage, and you wouldn't have to trade very large, you know. There goes NASDAQ again. Yeah. Trade Day almost never does giveaways. No, they don't. They don't do any giveaways. The only time they did giveaways when I was doing the competition. Celtics versus Spurs finals. Celtics, of course. C7. Celtics, let's go. Boston all the way. Daily payouts as you work on Apex. Yeah. So you prefer yep. Who else we got in the chat? Hey Pine, on a 50K Lucid account, would you take $1,000 payout now but cut your drawdown in half, or wait for the full, keep your drawdown intact? Chris Gandy. Well, I can't give you financial advice, but for me personally, when's the last time you got a payout? You know, like if you're someone that hasn't gotten a payout, take the money. Take the money. Lastifer for Trader, what is up? What's going on, man? Yeah, just I take the money. You can always just get another account, right? Pay yourself back. Just try to pay back some of that tuition. Mentally, like for me, like knowing that I'm already can get a payout, that screws with me big time. And I've so many times have I been at a payout level and then end up blowing the account trying to make more buffer, because knowing like I can't accept the loss, because in my mind I'm thinking like, oh, well, I could have took the payout. So like mentally, that, you know, obviously that's something I'd like to work on and be able to do, is to build up a bigger buffer, keep accounts around longer. I mean, the longest account, the funded account I've had is 4 months. I mean, not even 4 months, 4 payouts. Probably like 3 months. Like 4 consecutive payouts in a row. Like that's the longest I've ever kept an account. I've been live twice, but it's not because of consistency. It's just because I made a lot of money in a short period of time. So yeah, to each his own. But Chris, I mean, I think, especially if you're not someone that gets payouts all the time, just pay yourself back. Pay yourself back that tuition, and then just size down and work with that buffer that you got. That's the rest of it. Yeah, trade day is great. It's a little bit slower process, 7. They're just a little bit slower. You know, they don't have the technology like some of the like Lucid or even Apex is getting super fast, and their website's really good now. But yeah, by taking and copy trading all those, so the recipe this year, the reason why I've been pretty profitable, as far as payouts go, is because of doing just that recipe. It's not anything to do with my trading or doing anything different with strategies or anything like that. It's just simply focusing on daily payout accounts, and then just taking 1 or 2 trades on accounts that I got to trade longer. So with Lucid or Apex, that's just, you know, and I understand like not everyone can just afford to buy a bunch of accounts, but just having like one straight to funded account, not straight to funded, but daily payout account, and then seeing if you can get that to daily payout, and then take that payout and then invest it and buy, you know, a few Apex accounts, try to evals and try to pass it, or Bulanox or something like that. See if you can pass them. Or My Funny Futures Pro account, where you gotta trade it for an extended period of time, but you know, you can get some bigger payouts, and let those come when they come. Like, you don't need to be in a rush. You can just say, well, maybe in 2, 3, 4 months, or maybe my goal from now till the end of the year is just to grind some like 10 Apex accounts together and just try to see if you can get to a payout or something with all 10 accounts, you know. But just give yourself a long time. And then if you feel like pushing the button, just push it on your, you know, Take Profit Trader account, your pro account, and then try to get the daily payouts. So anyways, I don't know. It's just a thought. It's just something that I've been trying to work on, and it's been working for me pretty well this year. Love stream. Learn about these inside-outside bars. It's been working good. Well, what's the name of the indicator you have there? Those blue lines. Oh, all right. So the inside, the outside. My indicators. These are the inside-outside bars. LDT inside-outside bars, and then the blue lines and the yellow lines are the Vinay fair value gap. Vinay fair value gap. So just 2 indicators on there, plus the VWAP. Thank you, Trader's Nest. Yeah, it's just one of those things that, you know, I'm trying to work on myself. And but yeah, really, wow, there goes the market taking off here. Just zombie crawl, not really zombie crawling, but yeah, kind of zombie crawling. Just made a new session high NQ. Pawn in the house, what's up? I do not trust myself. Have to take a payout when available. Micho, yeah, me too. Coach Singh says we have 249 likes. Are we at the right amount of likes? Should be pretty close. One more like. 250 and we'll do a giveaway. Top of the hour. 260 people watching. Let's go. Yeah, we got enough likes. Let's do a giveaway. I don't even want to put my Moose Race hat on. It's hot. But I'll do it for the stream. This is for any size Apex account. Must be eligible to trade with Apex. If you win, I don't want someone to say, "Oh, I can't trade with Apex. Can I get a Lucid account?" No, you can't. This is for Apex tonight. And let's do a giveaway. Get it in, get it in, get it in. As soon as I get this Moose Race fired up, I'm closing entries. Any size Apex. Let's go. Look at everyone coming in. All right, I'm closing entries. Everyone's trying to get their alt accounts in. I know how it is. It's all good. Don't worry. We're gonna do more than one tonight. I'm gonna do another one after. So entries are closed. Let's do it. 297. Let's do it. All right. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Shuffling characters. Shuffling characters. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Got the Mises going. Trying to get My Funny Futures to do the Moose Races. I think I said that yesterday, right? It'll be fun too. Here we go. We got Jaded T out in the early lead here. I don't know if you want to be in the lead right off the bat or not. Usually it's the people hanging out right here in the middle. They started making a run for it, and in the last 10 seconds, they bulldoze their way right through everyone. Can't hit the NOS too early. Let's go, let's go. Trades by Neo on the inside. What's up, Neo? Long time follower. Must be present to win, too. Must be present to win. 22 seconds. Who's it going to be? I see Glenn out into an early lead here. 10 seconds. Who's going to make the run? Ooh, 5 seconds out of nowhere. Who's this going to be? Oh. Oh, let's go, Lay. Lay in the house. Let's go. One of the first people always in my... He's one of the first people every single night that says what's up. I know he has the notification bell. Yeah, let's go. He always says hi. Like, he's always like the first person, if not like the first three. Andy Wills in the last place. 286 people. Congratulations, Lay. Let's go. I like that. All right, what's the market doing? Pushing higher. 25,606. Congratulations. We will do another giveaway, so don't leave, all you fair weather fans. We're going to do another one. Lay, you in the Discord? I would guess that you're probably in the Discord. There's a Discord link if you guys want to join. This is Apex accounts tonight. We're giving away Apex evals. What's your Discord name, Lay? Is it Lay? Can you give you a moose next time, not the donkey? Yeah. Do you guys see? This is what Bear Trader put on his moose. I'll show you. I'll see you, Lay. All right. Look at this. See, this is what Bear Trader's got on his. He's got some turbos going. There's probably some NOS on there. Let me get Lay his account here so he can start trading it. All right, market's just pushing up higher here. Now I'm having the regrets of getting out of that long, obviously, but let's not trade that trade day account. Just pushing up here, 25,615. Lay, yeah, I just sent you that code. Use that for any size Apex account. Congrats. Andy Wills, first time in the Moose race, came in last. Well, maybe your luck will turn around next time. I actually seen someone come in almost last before and then ended up blowing, almost winning, or I think they maybe won. So very rarely do we have repeat winners. Very, very rarely. Andolina, what is up? What's up? I gotta take the only up from there, Brian says, yeah. Only up from there. One, nobody told me about that. Yeah, no, it's just random. It's for fun. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We will give away another account. Bitcoin's ripping highs of the day. Oh, interesting. No repeat, but first time winners either. It's all fixed. Yeah. No, it's just a random number generator, basically. Market's pushing higher. I might try to get in here at 605. $606. Five-minute outside bar. I didn't even notice we were doing the Moose race. I wasn't even really paying attention. Nice little break for that continuation. Oh, I guess it doesn't want to come down. Take a look at 2 minute. Hey, solo trader in the house. What's up, man? How's everyone else doing tonight? You guys trading any of this? You guys just hanging out? What's going on out there in the? You guys making money? Nice move. I missed it. Missed most of it. I kept trying to go long, and then when it finally wanted to go long for real, I'm out of it. You see all the times I kept trying to go long here, and then finally took off without me. Tomorrow should be pretty interesting, or maybe later, Tokyo Open, if we start to push back down into this 25,500. But this MOC, this buy up here at 250, 350, so the market on close obviously was a buy, and ended up pretty much ripping 470 to 530 on the market close, and so no reason to look for shorts at the moment unless you're just trying for little scalps. But overall, up and to the right, right? It's just going without me. Yeah, gold ran in a train. Yeah, oil's dumping. Yep. So oil. Oh, wow. Yeah, oil trying for that gap fill now. I'm gonna try to scale into this oil. Oil looking for the gap fill. Trying to short oil. More of an I think play. Little DCA action. All right, in there. I got an open gap, 95.79. Hey, I think that's enough for now. I'm just gonna mark it in and out. I don't really have that much experience trading oil, so it should be interesting. In-day micros right now on the 150K. Take profit trader. Yeah, CL is dumping. I am looking for the gap fill. Currently down slightly on this account tonight. This is a nasty NASDAQ. Well, it didn't quite want to fill that. Yet. Five-minute inside bar right now. Mm. $96.66. The CL didn't fill the gap, did it? The mini? The open gap? No. I feel like it does. 95.79. More of an I think play. Well, come on, CL. I mean, you literally just freeze as soon as I start to trade this, or what? What's going on? Just gotta be patient with this one. This is a 150K eval. Take profit trader. 10 micros now, which is essentially 1 mini. How do I keep track of so many accounts? Well, I copy trade a lot of them, Chris, and I don't really have that many. I mean, I don't really I don't trade everyone individually. Like if I have trade days or take profit traders, I'll copy trade those like as one. Apex, I just trade them as one. Yeah, I kind of treat them as like the same account, you know. So that's how I do it. All right, inside bar 5 minute, right? No surprise. I'd like to see it break 96.39 off the inside buy. Oh, what is that shit? Well, this isn't working out. What's NQ doing? Pulling back? Yeah. It's all right. I think. Adding a little more here. Thinking that maybe we'll sweep this inside bar. I'm still looking for that open gap fill. I mean, we headed for it and we didn't quite fill. Oil's down 2.3%. No bueno. No bueno on this. Never trading oil again. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do another giveaway here soon. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Going on to 8,000 subs. On our way to 10,000 subs. I cannot even believe that. Find an automated outside bar for 50 tick target on NQ. I'm going to run it on Sim tonight. Oh, let's go, Russell. Love to see the results in the Discord. Yeah, I don't really know how it would work with, you know, set take profit and set stop loss, things like that. But yeah, pretty interesting. Putting in a big bear flag at the moment, which is good. But if it decides it wants to rip up through 97.20, then I'm in trouble. Then I'm in trouble. Take a look at NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ 5 minute just pulling back here, testing at 25,600, which is why oil is popping a little bit off the low. So no surprise here. If NASDAQ or oil keeps dropping, NASDAQ's going to rip. Take a look at the 2 minute here. You can see it pulling back. So it's coming back to test maybe this 25,598. So you just back to CL. Just not. Still have that gap in 95.79. If this trade does win, we will be in positive territory on this account. It's not looking good. NQ. See if NQ holds at 25,600. Come on. This is going to be an interesting Tokyo Open, I think, if we don't fill that gap. I think when Tokyo opens, I think it might try to run it. I don't know. 30 minutes for that, though. I'm going to get smoked this account before it's this eval, before it, son of a gun. Buying NASDAQ here. See if it holds this 25,600. So long NASDAQ, short CL. CL pushing up to test the VWAP. 97.15 is the VWAP. 97.20. Bottom of the hour here in just a few minutes. CL starting to pull back here. I thought Tokyo opened straight after the Globex IB shuts. Yeah, so it's gonna open here in 30 minutes. So top of the hour, so 8 p.m. Eastern time. Tokyo Open. Right now, that's where it's at. During the clock change, Andy, that's when it opened up an hour earlier. So that was during the clock change, but they don't change their clocks. So for me, it opens up at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Tensor in the house. Tensor, I'm feeling a little tense right now. Feeling a little tense. Taking some heat on the CL, but I have confidence. And I think if it starts to push down in the gap, we're going to get a big win out of NASDAQ and CL. So maybe we don't. Maybe it doesn't want to fill the gap. I don't know. Hey, Bebe Rich in the house. What's going on? All right, bottom of the hour here in 30 seconds. Maybe we get a little movement. We'll do a giveaway here in about 15 minutes. Or maybe if I can get out of this trade. Got another Apex account. So you guys want to join in? Exclamation point Pine. Passed 100K in payouts from Apex last week. Let's go, Tensor. 100K in Apex payouts last week. Amazing. Congratulations. Let's give it up for Tensor. Smash the confetti. Smash the confetti. That's pretty awesome. 100K. Let's go. This year I'm at 50K. Let's go, Dominican Trader. That's great too. I mean, think about that. 50K. Quarter one. It's a nice chunk of change. I'm about the same, Dominican Trader, as far as net. We're around that 50K mark. All right, long NASDAQ, short CL. When you finish the video recording for them, they open up the floodgates. Let's go. Yeah, I'm glad you did it, right? And got your money. Glad you did it. So many people didn't do that, right? Yeah, looking like 200K. Yeah, absolutely. We just keep grinding, right? Just keep grinding. Trading is a grind sometimes. Feels like it. Looks like it's gonna rain. Shame we don't have the 300K accounts anymore. Oh yeah, Andy Willis. I actually never thought about that. We don't have the 300Ks anymore. I never traded them, but yeah, you're right. Yeah, I never thought that the 300Ks are gone. Those were a bitch to pass though, huh? Didn't give up on my strat. Let's go. Lucid on me on the cool off. 3,500 times 5 is great, though, Andy. That's great. NQ dropping. Yeah, I'm taking heat. NQ dropping. I'm down 882 in these two trades. Good thing he's a 150K. This 150K eval, or probably it would be cooked by now if it was a 50K. Still think that we push down and fill that open gap down here on CL. I don't see why we don't. If that's the case, then yeah, NASDAQ pulling back here. I'm in 2 minis, NASDAQ. 13 micros on CL, MCL. Hopefully we get that continuation. Botched a short at 25,602. Good luck, Russell. 2602. Currently down 3 points, but down overall on the night. I haven't managed. I've had some little unlucky calls there. Got the had to take profit right here at 597 on this first push up. Stopped. Ended up getting stopped out. Never took profit. Then yeah, stopped me out down here, and then it's this literally was the low, well, not the low, but this was the low on NASDAQ. after my stop out, it rallied from there. Well, I don't know much, but I don't really know what to say. I'm just taking heat. That's it. But exclamation point pine in the chat. We will give away. Going for 50 ticks. Let's go. Going for. I'm gonna give away another Apex account. Appreciate you guys using code PINE with Apex. Appreciate you guys being here every single night, hanging out, watch me sling some contracts. We have some big nights. Sometimes we have some big losing nights. Sometimes. Holding on to my bias. Big bull flag, basically, the way I look at this pattern here on NQ. So just needs to hold on that 5. You can see it just drifting lower. There's like no momentum, just drifting. Kind of like what it was doing here. Drifting, and then it popped. So maybe if I'm lucky, it'll do the same thing. So far, no luck. Maybe I just focus on the CL trade instead of the NASDAQ. I was kind of hoping to be able to just scalp the NASDAQ while I was trying to, manage my way out of the CL. Wanted to go down and fill the gap, It's kind of what I was hoping for, but right now I've been doing nothing but taking heat on both. All right, right at the entry, back at my average entry right now. All these trades are just, there's no real setup. The setup to me is that we're just overall bullish on NQ, and then CL has not filled the gap, even though it just tried to test it. So this is the only setup that I have right now. It's the only setup I'm basing these trades off from. Like, that's it. I like this. Maybe a break above 601. 603, 604. Break the structure. You can start slow grinding up right now. I won't mind. Take out some risk. All right, CL pushed up, kind of testing this VWAP area. Love to see it roll over. Up about $900 something last night, giving it back down about 1,100 right now. So eating in some of my drawdown, 3,500 in drawdown left. All right, Nasdaq's still holding that. Well, I'd say it's trying to hold that 25,600. Look at that. Might just take the couple $100 here. I have a feeling that Tokyo CL might try to run that. I just have the feeling. Almost got stopped out, Russell. Yeah, it's just kind of chopping around right now. It's just like waiting, 20 more minutes. That anticipation. Now, pre-market Tokyo Open has been pretty good. So like the last 20, 30, 15, 20 minutes, the volatility has been picking up lately in the last few nights. So maybe it does that too. Adding into this, got an outside bar here on a 2-minute. Love to see it break like 608, 609. I'd love to see that break. In pretty heavy here. I'm in real heavy. 13 micros on CL, 3 NASDAQ minis on a 150K eval. Really want to get my take profit trader accounts built back up. I want 5 and start getting those daily payouts just like I am with trade day right now. If I can get those all above the buffer and then start copy trading them all together, woo! I'll be able to go to Disney World. All right, down 285 now, 250 unrealized on basically CL, still underwater big time. Take a look at CL here. I'm underwater. Starting to roll back over, which is good. I don't want to add any more to CL though. I'm already in 13 micros. Exclamation point pie in the chat. We'll give away an account. Another one. 2 in a row. I won't be here tomorrow night, so please come and hang out with me tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Eastern time on My Fun Futures TV. I've been getting some pretty good trades in for the New York Open. I've been smacking some nice trades. All right, are we gonna break above this Finet fair value gap at 606? Nasdaq trade looking way better than CL. Nasdaq's the only thing keeping me afloat. All right, I'm gonna take profit here on Nasdaq. I'm gonna take profit. Wow, we actually did break that 2-minute. So Yeah, still underwater on CL though, but we did break that outside bar though. Yeah, I'm just gonna focus on the CL now. MCL. If we can get down to 95.83, 95.79 is where the gap is, where I have it mapped out. If we can get down to that zone, then it'll be a nice little profitable day here. So I'd be curious to see if we run this during Asia, the Tokyo Open here. Let's do a giveaway. Give you guys just 2 minutes. We'll do the giveaway. Hey, thank you for the sub, Derek. Who else do we have for subs? So Zevzerg, Ari, Derek, Caroli, The Massey Way. I think I missed these yesterday. Ian Yu, Hung Han, Raphael, Tippity Top. Appreciate all the subs. All right. Now this is looking a little better. Nasdaq's probably rallying too now, right? Yep. That's all right. We don't care. We're in CL. Now push it down and fill that gap. I'm not even going to look for any more too. I just want to fill the gap and leave. All right, closing entries. Guys had plenty of time. Thank you so much. Let's do a giveaway here and then get back to this trade. There we go. Come on, push it down there. Maybe the shorts come piling in now. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna watch the Dom here on the side. Shuffling characters. Good luck. Any size Apex account must be present to win. Good luck. Good luck. CL moving in my direction. I like that. Finally. Got Brian on the inside lane. We got my car. Any size Apex account. Who's it going to be? Andy Wills on the inside. I can't ever tell who's on the outside lane. Too many Mises. Ooh, Brian hit the boost already. Falling back. Edward. Fighting for the lead here. Lily Clement Forgot to put the Moose Race hat on. For the photo finish, I'll put the Moose Race hat back on. 15 seconds. Five seconds. Who's it gonna be? I think it's Mac D Rug. Mac D Rug. Oh, Shane Boast in third place. Who finished last? Oh, look, see, Andy Willis, you finished right up there in the top 10. So not last place. Joyce Fernandez in last place. Mac D Rug, congratulations. Yes, let's go. You're here, you're here. Congrats, congrats. All right, still in the CL trade. Come on, come on. Is Mac D Rug in the Discord? There's a Discord link. The link. If you don't have to be in the Discord, but it's easy for me to message you if you are. If not, it's fine. We can do it through email. Whatever you like. All right, guys. What do you guys think? You guys think we're going to fill the gap? Not down that much now. Only $444 currently on this account. We fill the gap, I'll be up $400. And then grinding towards passing this account. Tokyo Open here in about 7 minutes. Mac D, are you in the Discord, or do you want me to email you, or? Email is fine. All right. Email me at. Oh, it's okay, MacD. Email me at pinetreetrader207@gmail.com. Just show me a screenshot of, so that way I know it's you. A screenshot of your channel if you can. So something like this. Just take a screenshot just so I know it's you. And I'll email you your Apex code. Any size Apex account. What do you guys think? You guys think we're going to push down and fill that gap? I think so. It's just being stubborn. Tokyo is going to come in and just push it right down. I hope. Or this could be a disaster. For sure. Yeah. NQ 1 hour looking bearish. Yeah, that wouldn't be good for our. Yeah, it's looking a little bearish. It might print in that Harami here, but that wouldn't be good for the CL trade. That's for sure. Glad I took profit on that little scalp on NQ earlier, so kind of saved some of the drawdown. Oftentimes I'll do that if I can see a little scalp, as long as you're not trading like ES and YM and you're trading opposite directions or hedging those, you're usually fine. A CL is a totally different instrument. Would I do it on a funded account? Probably not. But thank you, Miss K. Yeah, like I said, guys, I won't be here tomorrow, but I'll be here tomorrow night. But I will be here tomorrow morning, My Funded Futures TV, if you guys want to hang out. 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 10 to 10:30. Then I'll be gone for the rest of the day, and I'll be back on Wednesday night. So let's go, MacD. I got your email. Let me send that to you right now. Congratulations. There we go. This is pushed down just before Tokyo Open. This will be even better. Thank you for whoever called that out too. I didn't even notice that CL was pushing down, and I've been kind of waiting for that move to look to fill the gap. So thanks for whoever called that out, even though it just caused me all kinds of stress. I got in. I mean, I obviously was chasing. I was trying to chase it, thinking it was working like NQ, where it's just gonna blast through that low. Sometimes I can't see everything on the charts because I'm trying to focus. Let's see, use this. There you go, MacD rug pull. Just emailed you back. Just use that code for any size Apex account. Congrats. Who's reaching out and wants to be a partner? Who is this? Who is this person? Ola. Ola Prime. Who's Ola Prime? Ola Prime prop firm wants to meet a partner with them. I don't even know who they are. Their office is in Hong Kong. It's gonna cost them a lot of money. They want to partner with me. It's gonna cost them tons. Anyone trade with Ola Prime? $96.52. All right, we got 1 minute. I was really hoping that was going to be the push right there. Ola Prime used to eat oodles and noodles with me. Exactly. Yeah, I've seen their advertisement, but I've never traded with them. Looks like a Lucid lookalike. Yeah, they all kind of copy each other now. Anyway, right? Saw them on an IG before and I never used them though. Or yeah, same. I think I saw an advertisement. Yeah, it's kind of skeptical, really. I mean, I just don't need to. I mean, I'm very thankful I'm affiliated with the top prop firm, so I don't. No need for me to try anyone new at the moment. For some reason, I had a good feeling about Lucid, though. Like, it was just one of those things where obviously Lucid is new, and they're fairly new. But like when they came out, I saw AJ being interviewed on Patrick, and I was like, yeah, this guy's pretty cool, and just their whole thing. And I just had a good feeling to partner with them, so I did. Oh, come on. All right, let's rug pull this. Come on. All right, Tokyo Open. Yuck. Right back up. NQ dropping hard. NQ getting pushed down. $25,575 now. NQ. Let's go to the 5 minute here. NQ looking like it wants to test the low. That 5 minute outside bar just to dump off it at 7:45. Here I am stuck in this CL trade. Outside bar on a 5 minute CL. Rip into the upside. I gotta get out of this trade. Basically lost what I made yesterday on this account so far. Take a look at gold here. What's gold up to? Gold 5 minute trying to bounce. I'm gonna long gold here. Ooh, I want to be long, not with micros. That's better. I wanted to be long with a mini. I didn't realize I was on the micro gold. Bouncing off that Fernay fair value gap, gold. So short CL, long gold. Girth is better than length. Hey, got Jack. Catch you tomorrow. All right, D Mitch. Yeah, I'll be on My Funny Futures TV tomorrow, but no stream tomorrow. No night stream tomorrow for me. I'm gonna be traveling, doing some stuff. So I'll be in my next time you guys see me. I'll be in my other office. The old guitar, the old dusty guitar will be back. Moving stop up here on gold. Just below that candle's wick. I really wanted to hold this Finet fair value gap here at level. Trying to get in on a mini right there at 477.7, but didn't realize I was on the micro, so I actually was hopped into one micro, and then I just added a bunch into it. So we'll see if we actually hold this. Looking for 5 points basically off that line, the 5-minute line. I'm gonna add again here. I like this. I think. Come on, come on. Hey, later, Russell. Trap long and dump. Yeah, could be. Yeah, I'm going on just in these trades, so I'm just going on a little bit later than I usually do. Thanks for everyone still hanging out. Come on, Finet fair value gap. Hold the line. Long gold, short CL. Down 400 on this take profit trader eval. There we go. Get up there. Dope stream, Corey Smith. Hey, what's up, Corey Smith? What's up, man? Thanks for tuning in. Feels like ridiculous fad for prop firms these days, popping up left and right. It's crazy. Yeah, Coop. Yeah, for sure. I always go straight to the 1-star reviews. M Stone. Yeah. I like the logo. Yeah, that was Ola. Come on, come on. This is just not. CL just kind of chopping around, going sideways at the moment. Never filled the gap down there. 95.79 is where the gap fill is, so it hasn't not filled yet. I gotta get going pretty soon anyway. I got some stuff I gotta do. packing. Still like this gold trade. I think if I think CL goes for that gap, gold will pop too, just like NASDAQ. This is what I'm thinking here. Kind of playing my playing the PNL too a little bit. You know, I'm going for the bigger wins, a little more aggressive. There we go. Up 400 on this gold trade. Oh, finally green on this overall trade. There we go. That's the pop. There we go. Taking some off there. Taking some off there. Taking some off there. All right. Trailing stop here on the rest. All right, we'll take off that gold fully. So basically just the pop off that fair value gap indicator, the pine line. Is that what we like to call them? The pine cones like to call them the pine lines. But here we go. That was it. Just to pop off that. It just held that line. Look for about 4 or 5 points on gold. We'll take that. CL currently underwater still, and I'm only down $32 now. Which gap, JLB? So the open gap from Sunday night, I still have a gap down there. If you look here, way over, very tiny, but it's there. Maybe we don't fill it. You know, maybe we don't fill it. I'm about over it, though, I tell you that. I might just call it. I'm down like $84. Like I said, I got some things I gotta do. I gotta finish up for tomorrow, so yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna leave it on here, but nice gold trade to basically get me out of the hole. So down yeah, forget. I'm just down $100. That's, I mean, that's nothing, right? On an eval, down $100 on a 150K. I'm just gonna call it there. That is, I mean, I just couldn't really get anything quite going tonight. That's perfectly fine. Up 824 total on these accounts. Took some nice payouts today, so I'm pretty happy with that. Gave away some accounts, so I'm happy with that as well. And thank you guys for being here, and I appreciate everyone stopping in. And make sure you use code PINE if you're picking up any accounts tonight or tomorrow. So use code PINE, and we'll do it again, or I'll be doing it again tomorrow morning on My Funded Futures TV. But I won't see you guys tomorrow night on this stream, but I will see you guys Wednesday. Back on so I just need one night off to take care of some things. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow on My Funded Futures TV. All right, guys. Thanks for using code PINE. Apex 90% off. And you guys know the deal. Pine with everything else. Pine with a capital P for trade day. Get some daily payouts for trade day. I just locked in some more. So, all right, guys. Peace. Thanks for being here.
Let it come to me. Risk a fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet.